Hello everyone, I am Rajiv and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will make a tachometer using Arduino Nano. To make the tachometer, we need one Arduino Nano, IR proximity sensor module, push button, breadboard, OLED display, and some wire for connection. Now I am going to tell you how our tachometer will work. The concepts are very simple. First of all, I attach a white sticky object into the shaft to measure the RPM of the object. The proximity sensor will detect the white sticky object and the Arduino count the sensor output signal. After counting the number of rotation, it will convert into the RPM value and display it. I use the pulsing function to count the every pulse time. Now it's time to assemble all components in a breadboard. By the way, in this video I am not discussing the IR sensor, but don't worry about that. I will make a separate video about the IR proximity sensor. I forget to mention that the push button actually used to hold the value. Now it's time to upload the code into the Arduino Nano. By the way, I already uploaded the code. You can find the code link from the description. You also need the circuit diagram, so take a screenshot. And don't forget to select correct comport and the board. To test the device, I took 2 gear motor and attached a white tape with the shaft. I powered the device from a 5 voltage power supply. You can also use a mobile power bank. The gear motor RPM is 100 in 12 voltage no load condition. I operate the motor in 9 voltage and I get 86 RPM. I am not able to show you the accuracy of the device because I do not have any tachometer to compare the output value. I also test with a 200 RPM gear motor. I think the result is not bad. If you want to build this project, check the description. If you like this video, then press the like button. For more updates, subscribe the YouTube channel and thanks for watching.